Okay, I'm gonna finish my dog Belle, my Lily Bell. I've refound it a little bit. Like I um, just went through and did some my wet finger smoothed it out. I let it get leather hard um, so that you can hear it's leather hard. But I'm gonna add the texture now, and I'm just gonna use the tool that I use to make the hole in is what the tool that I want to use. Well, actually, that's not true. I'm going to use. I don't know if you got these in your tool. Anyway, it's like using a pencil. It's just like a little round ball on the end. It's like a doll pencil, and I'm going to just come in and draw some texture lines. So I'm going to do some around her face. Lily's a her, so. These are not deep texture lines. This is just so that when I put some colorant on this, that it will show through. And I'm just doing a little bit. And then I'm gonna do down her belly. Again, this would be like if I had a doll pencil. It's just a rounded end tool. Can you see? It's like a little bright. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just drawing in these little texture marks. I had to move out of my garage. It's too cold in there right now. Just a few texture marks, and now I'm gonna do some around the side, like coming towards the face. So like, oops, that one went a little deep. That one went a little deep. But like, so now I've changed the direction of my texture marks so that they come into the face, and that she gets a little. I don't worry about the little crumbs I'm making on the surface because they will dry and fall off. Make some on the ears. This is recommended because it adds to the just like the overall like finishing level of the pot, to have a little bit of wash in those things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint it with white, and then I'm gonna take some black, brown, because she's got a little more brown in her than black. So I'm gonna do a little brown black action, and I'm gonna water it way down. So like it's gonna be a pretty watery solution, And then I'm gonna kind of just run it over the cracks so that it just kind of pools in the cracks or the texture I made. And that's it. That's all I'll do. So texture today, glaze, glaze next class, and I'm done. I have to decide if I want the bell tail to hang off of here, which I don't know exactly if it's going to change the sound if I have a hole on the outside of the bell. Like, I know it won't in the top, but like if there's a hole towards the bottom, I think it might change the sound, you know, like if there's a hole here. So I think I might just have the tail hang out at the center. I'm just doing some last. And there she is, the dog herself, asking to be my... She knows as soon as I start working. Oh, there's Lily. Like Giuliani passing gas over here. Okay, hold on, let me let my dog out. Come here, booty butt. Just about finished. Get some texture marks on the side here. Okay. Like I said, those little things will brush off. Got some deep ones over here by accident. It's because the way my hand was moving. I have to put some deep ones over here to make it look even. Like I meant to do that. When I didn't. Okay, well, to doodle. I'm gonna let my bell texture dry. I'm not gonna put any on my feet, I decided, but I'm gonna let the bell texture dry, and then next thing I'm gonna do is add my color. I'll let it dry a little bit, just not a ton, just enough to like be able to brush off the crumbles. Okay, see you soon.